Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Nerd Art Kids Art. Today, I will teach you to draw a minion. His name is the steward. He has the big oval head. Then, we're gonna draw a curved line to separate where is his head and the sleeveless. His body also like the oval shape, so you can see the head and the body looks like the sausage shape. We draw a pocket in the middle of his tummy. He is a one-eyed short minion, so his eyes is like a circle shape in the middle of the head. Double circle. There are two circle highlights inside of his eye. And the strap on the left and the right side as well. Please make sure you use the curved line because the minion, which is the cylinder shape. He has the really big smile face that looks so happy. His arm is quite short and skinny. For the left side, he wearing the gloves on his hand. The thumb up, it's like an oval shape. Then draw the wrist of the glove. The right side hand is the similar as the left one. It also wears the glove. Minions, they are quite short, so their legs are quite short as well. His feet, it's like the oval shape. Steward, he has the comb here. Good. Let's add the lollipop in his hand, which is like the circle shape. He is playful, friendly, and funny guy. Well done. Let's start coloring now. As we know, all the minions are yellow, right? So the first color, we're gonna use yellow, coloring his whole body. Take your time, slow down. He is skillful at video games, like his friend Dave. Do you like the video games? And he's preferring to chill out and play the ukulele, then listen to the rules. Also, he was said to be always hungry, such as when he attempted to eat Kevin and Bob when he was thinking of them as bananas. Is anyone like bananas right here? If you don't want a drawing outside of the shape, you can outline the bottom, then coloring in the middle. Don't forget he has the left and the right side of the body, which is yellow as well, and his arm. Really good, guys! We finished the first layer of the yellow, then we're gonna use orange to draw the dark side, which gonna make it look more 3D. Follow his head shape. We can draw the line first and the coloring on the right side. Also, around his eye, it has the shades as well. Under the tape, we can see it looks like the cast shadow. Because his body is like the cylinder shape, then the bottom of the head, it has the curved shades. Same on his body, it has the shades as well. The shape on his arm, which is similar as his arm's shape. And the right side shade is more than the left one. The last part of the orange is around his big smile mouth. He wearing the denim vest, so it's gonna be the light blue at the first layer. You can use the sky blue or other light blue. If you accidentally left some white gap, please cover it. Slow down, take your time. The pocket is the light blue as well, and his pant is the blue as well. Great job! We finished the light blue. Then we're gonna use the dark blue, drawing some shades on his vest. Same as the before, we can draw in the shape and the coloring inside. The shades on the pocket is the curved line. Also, the body, it with the curved line. Does it look like more 3D now? Now, he's wearing the really good denim suit. Then, we're gonna use the light gray, covered his hair. Also, the strap. The glove, both of them, all the gray as well. The shoes is the gray. We're gonna use the light gray to draw the shades on his eye. Good, we finished the light gray. Then, what is your favorite color that you can use it coloring the lollipop? I'm gonna use the light pink. If you like the rainbow colors, of course you can use it. I think that will make your lollipop look so yum yum yum. Then, we're gonna use the red, drawing some shades on the lollipop as well. You can use your light gray or your dark gray to color the stick. Last, we're gonna use the black, draw some shades on his glove. And also same on his right side. On his feet, it has the shades as well. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye!